This living ink is made from algae, and this is how you screen print it. Living ink is a water-based ink, so basically you use it very similar to any other water-based ink. That means for screen making, use a water-based emulsion. This works great through a 156, 158 mesh screen, but you can use it on lower meshes for like flooding more ink, like for a towel, or higher meshes for high detail as well. Before we go on press, it's very important to modulate the ink. This gets all the pigment and base mixed together, ready to go on press. Today I'm just using a 70 durometer Squeegee, which works great for a manual press, but on an automatic you might want to use a 60-90-60, which will lay a little bit more ink deposit down, but still give you enough strength in your Squeegee to print. Unlike a lot of water-based inks, living ink does clear the screen pretty well with one print stroke, but you can do 2 print strokes for a little bit more opacity. The great part about the living ink formula is because it's water-based, you can print it alongside of other water-based systems, like discharge, low solids, or high solids water-based. This also means it's going to flash very similarly to other water-based inks. Now for curing, this is a water-based ink. It does take a little bit longer to cure than plastisol. So depending on your dryer, this could be anywhere from 90 to 180 seconds. You want to make sure you have a long enough dwell time for that water to evaporate out of the base, leaving the film down nice and cured. If you're not used to printing water-based ink, it's always great to do a wash test before you sell the shirt. The best part about living ink is it doesn't require chemicals for cleanup. So you can use just straight water, or a slight detergent, or any water-based cleanup works great. For more information, you can find the technical data sheet for living ink on screenprinting.com's product page.